AC Guy 1948 here, working on the Maytag washing machine. I have the engine mounted on it. I've been working on this thing all day. The legs, I ended up taking the legs off of that one because the feet on this one were all bent off, and it was easier to change. Well, I want to say it was easier to change the whole legs, but that was quite a task. This bolt I had, well, it bent over, so I tried bending it straight, and while I was doing that, it broke the tip of it broke this piece right here off of the shaft, so it's kind of like this whole thing was just ruined. I couldn't, on the other one I couldn't quite, didn't have anything small enough to pound that out, and it probably wouldn't have come easy anyway. I probably do have something small enough, I just couldn't find it. On this leg, for holding the spring, there's a cotter, like a cotter key up in there that it goes through, and then it's fanned out, and that holds the spring in place. But on this side of the leg, it had a screw and a little nut on the back, flathead screw, and it was like that stripped out pretty quick, so I went ahead and just took it out and put a normal bolt through here. This leg's off the other one too. It just, everything's just been, that one control rod was just a pain, because I lost a piece off of one, and then that one I ended up stealing a couple pieces off of. Now I'm going to have to steal this drain off of one of the two to make that hose work, because this one has a different drain hose on it. It's got one that like goes inside of it instead of on the outside. So you got to figure that out. Shouldn't be too bad. It looks like they can interchange. So yeah, pretty. I mean, it's not like really great high quality job, but definitely looks better than, well, here's what it looked like before, pretty much. It was basically in the same shape as this one. There's that one kind of shined up. That one turned out, I wish that one would have turned out as good as this one, but oh well. So I'm going to see about firing this thing up and making sure everything works, and I guess I'm going to go from there. Go ahead and put you down here pointed at the engine, I guess, so you can watch that start up. Hopefully it'll start. I haven't had it running today. Tried. If it engages. Oh, I bet it shredded that belt off. Nope, not even rubbing. Huh. No. Not to loosen it and bring that back a bit. Okay, well now we know it runs at least. So I tightened the belt up. That wasn't my goal, but okay. Let's try that again. I'm going to shut the agitator off and see what we get. If I hook up the put oil down there. I wasn't sure if it'd go all the way down or not. Alright. Well, it runs, it works. So now I just got to gotta clean up down in there, and I gotta change out that drain piece and come up with, still gotta figure out something for a ringer. But for the most part, yeah, I'm in business. So, alright. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.